Ever wondered how to protect your precious vehicle from the unforeseen calamities of the world? Vehicle insurance is the answer. It's a loss insurance product that safeguards the insured from potential losses related to the ownership and use of motor vehicles. The risks covered by vehicle insurance include damage or loss of the vehicle due to accidents, collisions, sinking, malicious acts, theft, and fire. They also extend to damage or loss of the vehicle due to riots, unrest, terrorism, and natural disasters. Moreover, it covers the losses of third parties caused by accidents involving the insured vehicle. There are two types of vehicle insurance: comprehensive and total loss only, also known as TLO. Comprehensive vehicle insurance provides protection against all risk of loss, whether minor or major, including loss. On the other hand, TLO vehicle insurance only provides protection against the risk of loss if the repair cost is estimated to be equal to or exceed 75% of the vehicle price just before the loss. Vehicle insurance can be purchased individually or through an insurance company. When choosing vehicle insurance, several things need to be taken into account. First, the type of insurance, whether it's comprehensive or TLO. Next, the extension of the guarantee, which are additional guarantees that can be added as needed, such as personal accident assurance for the driver and passengers, legal liability assurance, and riots assurance. Lastly, the premium, which is the insurance cost that the insured must pay. Vehicle insurance is crucial for motor vehicle owners. It can provide financial protection in case of a loss to the vehicle. Here are some benefits of vehicle insurance. It protects the vehicle from the risk of loss. It helps alleviate financial burdens in the event of a loss. It facilitates the claim process. It enhances the resale value of the vehicle. With vehicle insurance, vehicle owners can feel more secure and comfortable while driving. In summary, vehicle insurance is a must-have safety net for any vehicle owner. It offers a wide range of coverages from minor incidents to major accidents and even third-party liabilities. It comes in two types, comprehensive and TLO, each catering to different needs and budgets. With additional guarantees that can be customized according to the needs and a straightforward premium payment system, vehicle insurance ensures that you enjoy your ride without worrying about the financial implications of any mishaps.